Hello, we're going to demonstrate the phase 2 exercises for your spinal sculpting kit. Okay, so you will begin, as you did in phase 1, by using the foam roller. Allison demonstrated that in the phase 1 video. Again, you'll start with your on your butt, with the butt rolling up and down on the ground. And then as you get stronger or you are more flexible and you can tolerate it immediately, then you can skip that step and immediately roll with your butt slightly elevated off the ground. You'll do the foam roller for 30 seconds going in an up and down motion to create mobility of your mid-back. Once you've done that, you're then going to move into the wedges. So on phase 1, we worked on just getting oriented with the positioning of the wedges and creating some flexibility and mobility. Now we're going to start to work on some strengthening activities as well. So again, the lower back wedge, the top of it looks like it's chopped off. It looks like a triangle that's been chopped off. Imaginary line from your belly button all the way around your back. That's where the top of that foam wedge will go. Okay, so Miss Allison is going to demonstrate. Lay down. Perfect. Now with the neck wedge, you can see again there's an indentation in the middle here. We are still going to have your head being on the downward slope. So Miss Allison is going to put her head up and wrap it back down. Good. Okay, so again, she will just lay here just for a few moments to get her body to calm down, to get her muscles to relax, to get the ligaments and muscles to stretch appropriately. And then as we did in the very first video, as part of our warm-up, we're going to have you go ahead and look left and right a few times. And again, there's no race. It was at a pace that you can handle. Again, we're trying to, as you can see with Miss Allison with her hair, it's actually pushing the wedge away. Again, if that happens, don't worry, just move it, or as Allison's doing now, you can hold it on with your hands. Okay, now you go ahead and stop. We're then going to go ahead and do the lower back. So we'll go side to side. Good. And she'll do both of these, both the neck and the lower back, for approximately 30 seconds each. Go ahead and stop. Good. So now we're going to start doing some strengthening work, both in the neck muscles as well as the lower back. We're going to start in the neck. So what I'd like you to do, Allison, is just turn to your right as far as you can. And then what you're going to do, once your head is turned to the right, I want you to try to imagine you're trying to push your head into this pad. Good. And again, you want to hold this for approximately 30 seconds. Once you do, relax, come back to center, look straight up. Good. And again, just allow your body to recalibrate, to relax in this position for a few moments. Then, Allison, I'll have you look to the left. And again, push your head, the left side of your head, into the pad as if you're trying to push your head into the floor. And again, she'll hold this for 30 seconds. Both these moves are what we call isometric exercises that are strengthening the neck muscles to give you more support, to hold alignment, and to hold your head in proper positions when you're dealing with stress in the work life or in your daily activities. Okay? Now, we're going to do 2 exercises into the lower back to create strength of the pelvis, the glutes, and the lower back. The first move, what you'll see, Miss Allison's going to take her leg out to the side. Her heel is approximating her ankle. So it's not touching her ankle, but it's just hovering right near her ankle. I'm going to step away. Hold that if you would, Allison. So again, think of this like a clamshell type of activity where the leg is opening up, the heel of the right leg is coming close to the ankle of the left leg, and it's just holding it right there. This is going to cause her muscles to twitch. She might be weak in this area. Again, this is going to cause these muscles to actually strengthen. This is important for strengthening the pelvis and ultimately the lower back. She'll repeat that with the other leg as you just saw her do. Again, the goal is to hold each of these isometric exercises for 30 seconds per leg. Now, once she's done this, we have one more strengthening activity we're going to do. Allison, I'm going to go ahead and drop your leg here. Okay, good. And then drop this one here. So she's going to drop both of her legs. And what I'm going to have her do is just simply lift one leg off the ground. You can actually about a couple inches off. There you go. And you're going to hold it there. So she's going to hold that leg off the ground. On the camera I can see, you really can't see where her foot is, but she's off of the ground a couple inches. Now she's doing that, she's engaging all the muscles of the front of the pelvis that need to be activated in order to strengthen pelvis and your overall core stability. Go ahead and go, great job. So again, you'll hold that for about 30 seconds and you'll switch legs. And so again, on the video, it may be a little hard to see, but Allison, her feet are coming off the table, in your case, off your floor, several inches. And relax there. Good. So again, roll to the side, and sit on up. Very good. And then last, we will end with the halo. Again, Allison demonstrated this in the phase 1 video. You'll simply wear it. You want your shoulders back, chin slightly elevated, looking, if anything, in front of you or slightly elevated, maybe at a 45-degree angle to, again, strengthen the neck muscles, strengthen the upper back muscles. Again, so this whole protocol, phase 2, should take you around 10 minutes to complete from the foam roller, the wedges, and the halo. This is your phase 2 spinal sculpting kit exercises.